Atlantis with the Windows PBX blog, and we're here to take a look at the Logitech ConferenceCam Connect, a Skype for Business certified conference, both video and a speakerphone built into one USB unit. Very distinctive form factor, very nice looking device. It is just very, it's like the quality you've come to expect from Logitech. Very nice device. And of course it has a built-in H264 camera there, which for some reason we are not focusing very good on there, but a Zeiss lens, it's HT 1080p, 4x optical zoom, and very nice video with Office or Skype for Business, and also includes a nice speaker for users up to like 1 to 6 users, kind of designed for a huddle room. And once again, that distinctive, set it in the middle of the room and use it, and your video camera is right there as well. So what do we have here? What comes in the box is you get the device, the speakers down here, mic in the middle. There's also one in the back that we'll notice later on. You get a cable, USB cable. It's a USB device. And you also get a power cord that will charge the device. And of course, you can unplug that and use it as a battery-only device. Very nice, has Bluetooth built in. And then we have the remote that allows you to hang up, pick up, zoom in. You have that 4x zoom. Volume, mute, and there you have it. And it really has a clever, the remote is very clever. You can just snap it on here to make sure no one's using your camera. And then works good for me just to slide it off like that. It's magnetic. It's really actually pretty clever. So on the front here we have the camera. We have the mic. We have a mute button. So that only, of course, works when you're in a call. And we have the up and down volume. It's a touch. There's not a knob, so it's tap, tap, tap. But that's becoming pretty standard. One thing I have noticed in my using it, this little knob here is to adjust the camera up and down. And for me, if my fingers are a little slick, it sets in pretty much. Sometimes it's just as easy pressing on the edge of the camera to adjust it. Although the negative thing about that is you get fingerprints on the camera. But you can use that as well. Although for me, sometimes it's a little tough. It sets in there a little bit. But still, not hard to do. You can use your finger to do it as well. So then, of course, we have the speaker. And down there, you'll notice do I have that on mute? Yes. So if you press mute, you can clearly see that you're on mute. And also, so that's red. And you can also clearly see when you're in a call. So let's just run a call here. I'll let you hear the speaker.
Check your call quality. Record a short message after the tone. Then wait to hear how you sound.
All right. So now we're talking. And just to give it, and you can see that it's blue and in a call.
Here's what I've heard.
If I muted it. Okay. So now we're talking. And just to give it, and you can see that it's blue and in.
If you like what you heard, then you're all set.
All right. We can just
check your...
hang that up. And so one thing, we'll take a look here on the top. We have a couple controls. So this device is a H264 camera. It is a speakerphone, USB, good solid sounding speakerphone. And it's also a Mirrorcast device. And to understand that a little, you're not using the Mirrorcast to put a remotely streamed mobile device into a Skype for Business meeting. Really what it does is when it lets you put it on a TV that you might have plugged into the device. So the way it works is you plug the TV into the HDMI right there that you can see. And then you tap on here. And now the ConferenceCam Connect becomes a Mirrorcast device. And if we were plugged into a screen, what you would see is something that looks like that on the screen, the TV. And then you can connect your camera to that. Now, that does not, it's a little confusing. You might think, well, now that mobile device can show up inside the meeting. And that's not the case. It just shows on the screen. So, and also, Using the video camera or Mirrorcast is a toggle. You can only use one or the other. So I guess they're kind of thinking you'll be using it either in the room or using the video for outside the room. And then over here, you have Bluetooth, so you can connect a mobile phone to it, or you can connect Skype for Business to it. All right. So video camera, speakerphone, good solid huddle room speakerphone, and also a Mirrorcast adds Mirrorcast to your monitor or TV. So we'll spin the thing around there. Once again, nice finish, solid feeling device. And then on the back here we have another mic input, so it's all around. We have near field, so you can just tap your phone to that to connect it up to your device. To pair the ConferenceCam Connect to your phone. And we have a lock, Kensington lock it looks like. And then the power, which this thing has a battery in it, so let me just show that I can unplug this. Let's unplug the power. I'm doing it one-handed here, like that. And you can see power's still running, we're still connected. So then you also have HDMI down there. So there you have it. The ConferenceCam Connect. Really, I've got to say I like the device. It's really nice. I have been using it on my desk. I like it. And maybe one last thing. What does it come with? For us, it came in this brown box, and very, very worked fine, and easy to assemble. There's really not that much. Actually, it comes with a little manual here as well. If I can get that out with one hand once again. But really, I don't even think I opened that because it's self-explanatory. All right, Logitech ConferenceCam Connect. Very nice device from Logitech to make a huddle room for 1 to 6 people. Sort of a street price around $500. There you have it.